Little boxes, stationary. They're very easy to disassemble. You simply just grab each of the ends and you just take apart. They fold back in, very simple. They come in many different sizes and colors and shapes. And they are, again, stackable. You could use them as a lid if like. And if you want to just open them up, they open up very easy. Now, if you just want to open up 3 corners, you can do so. So you could slide things in or fold them up like for these things. And again, you can stack them up as high as you like, and they won't slide off. They're very easy, again, to take apart. You just simply grab each of the ends. They're see-through, as you can see. And I'll give you a nice close-up look at the product. You can see the design of it, the bottom design, how they open up like so, and how they snap in like a puzzle. Very easy indeed. Once they're all into place and you're happy with what you got, put them on a shelf, store things away. Find a nice spot, keep things organized, and they will fit up there beautifully like so. Put your cables all into the area, and there you go. You have stationary storage boxes that you can store up, move them out anytime you want, anywhere, in different colors and all. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.